So my life end before I fit give you my conclusion and find out your names. Before that, anyway, when I'm listing my people who say I say as OGs, I'm talking about people who say get impact in my life personally, in real life terms, not music and not real shit. I mean, like during my times of struggles out here during my career and shit. So yeah, it's always love for them. And my conclusion to end this shit, the last thing I wanted to say was, yeah, we need to stop letting unqualified people be the go-to for information and for knowledge. You understand? Or for just information generally. You understand? Basically, like, don't be going to a lawyer and asking for medical advice. Or you understand? Don't be going to producers and asking for performance advice. Do you understand? Or don't be going to coming to Burna Boy for fucking pastor advice or some shit. You understand? That's you're meeting unqualified people for information that they can't give you, and that's the story of this our internet. You understand? So yeah, positive education equals constant elevation. That is it. No sign of weakness.